Here's your Storm Track 5 weather forecast. Now, meteorologist Ricky Matthews.
A wet, soggy, and dreary Monday across the area as we take a look at some of our live conditions from the north state of Franklin and Johnson City, Tennessee. Lots of people out at the noon hour with temperatures of 57 degrees in the Tri-Cities Airport, 55 Elizabethton, and middle 50s towards Abingdon, Wise. Middle 40s once you head down to Marion, though, as we've got more of an easterly breeze blowing there. A few more cameras for you. We'll go to Marion and show you what it's like there in downtown right now. 45 degrees with a little bit of cloud cover, some light drizzle and rain there. Winds out of the east-northeast around 10 miles per hour. Our winds here in the Tri-Cities are out of the southeast. That's helping to keep us a little bit warmer as we take a shot there from Buffalo Mountain. Now, rainy days are ahead. We're going to have rain today through Wednesday. Because of that, the Weather Service has issued a flood watch, which is going to be in effect through Wednesday morning. Now, that just means that some minor flooding is possible. I don't think anything major in terms of flash flooding will occur, but we could see some small streams, maybe the typical flood-prone areas get a little bit of flooding as we go through the next couple of days. Now, after that, some chilly air comes back into our region. Now, I say chilly, and it's not going to be like, 10, 20 degrees, but it's going to feel a little bit cooler than we certainly have felt over the past 5 or 6 days. Over the weekend, we were up in the 60s. I think as we go into Thursday, we'll only be in the 40s. So some cooler air certainly on the way, but not really cold air, I should say. So as we take a look at our severe threat tracker here, medium alert level for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Because of that, flood watch is in effect. We'll continue to watch that here in the Storm Track 5 Weather Center and alert you to any flood warnings that are issued. Right now, just a watch, which means that flooding is possible. That watch includes majority of Southwest Virginia and all of Northeast Tennessee. A few counties up here not included because we're expecting a little lesser in terms of rain totals across that region. Now, looking at Maxillary radar right now, you see some light rain, showers, drizzle pushing across the Tri-Cities. We'll take a closer inspection of this and show you some light rain impacting Kingsport, Johnson City, near Mountain City, and Abingdon right now. In Southwest Virginia, some more light rain moving through portions of Dickinson and Buchanan County. Near Richland, some more light rainfall there, and a little bit of drizzle probably in spots where it's just not showing up on our radar. But further to the south and west, a big batch of heavy rainfall heading our way. That's going to impact Greene County first, then eventually impact majority of Northeast Tennessee as we go later into the afternoon hours. The reason for all this, a stationary front that's stalled right across our area. That's helping to have little disturbances in the weather right up along it, causing some areas of heavy rainfall that will last probably through the next couple of days. We'll show you that on Future Track. Look as we go into Monday evening. We have rain showers around, scattered in variety. But as we go into the overnight hours, another batch of heavy rainfall moves through, very similar to what we saw last night. Could wake up to a few heavy raindrops on your roof, just like I did last night. 8 a.m. Tuesday morning, rainfall impacting us, moving through the area, a wet commute tomorrow morning, and probably a wet commute home as well Tuesday evening. A few patches of heavy rainfall still possible into the overnight hours of Tuesday. Then I think as we get into Wednesday, rain chances do decrease a little bit. How much rainfall can we expect? Maybe 1 to upwards of 3 inches in a few spots. Notice the areas in the purple there. You're under the flood watch. That's the reason why. A little more rainfall expected there than some other areas. Now, temperatures this afternoon, 55 in Grundy. How about 47 in Marion with that east-northeast wind? Southeast wind across the Tri-Cities bumping us up to 57 this afternoon. Tonight, only cooling down a few degrees, 53 for overnight low, 47 in Marion, and 49 in Norton. So the bottom line with all this, cloudy weather, mild weather, and muggy conditions continue for the next couple of days. And then as we get a little bit later into the forecast period, the cooler weather moves in. Flooding threat is there, but it's not very significant. I think if anything, it'll just be that minor urban and small stream flooding. But note on our 7-day, we're going into Thursday there, 46 degrees for a high temperature and overnight low Thursday into Friday of 29. Certainly cooler than we've been used to over the past week or so.
Definitely starting to feel like winter. And I was telling you before, great weekend to put those Christmas lights up.
It is. And do you have your decorations up?
No.
She's slacking. I got mine up already.
No, I'm kind of behind on the game, but you were smart to do it this weekend when it was a little bit
nice
warmer.
And warm.
Definitely. All right, thanks, Ricky. If you aren't